Hi, this is Majid from Lyra Zone Sindh Bharat. Today we are gonna discuss about maximum users reach problem in SQL Account Enterprise Edition. Before we start, I'd like to show you how to check your active connections in your network environment. Go to File, Show Active Connections. Currently, 2 users are connected in my environment, but it is not sure either they have been using the application or not. Why this problem occurred? The reason is, if any user shut down the application through this button, instead of go to File and Exit, closing the application through this button is an improper shutdown for the application. Whenever you want to exit from the application, go to File and then Exit. This is the proper way to shut down the application. If you will do like this, so the active connection will not be happen like this and this problem will never come to you. But this problem, you are currently having this problem. So how to resolve? Simple. First you close your SQL accounting system, then go to your start and type services. If you are using any Windows Server version, so here you will find few more options, but you have to go services local. Here you have to find Firebird. This is Firebird services. These are the services which have been running SQL accounting system in our network environment. So you have to stop it for 10 seconds and then restart it. Then close it. Now we are going to check again how many users are connected. You see there is only one connection, which is my one. I logged in now. All users will be kicked out enforcedly. And after that, if any user will be log into the system whose application were open before restarting our Firebird services, and he will try to pass any command to the system will say something like this: network connection interrupted, reconnect again. So the user will press yes here, so he will be reconnected without any problem. So this is the whole method, how to kick out or how to deactivate all the active connections in SQL Account Enterprise. Thank you so much for watching video. Have a nice day.